Hi, I'm contestant 5754. We have a 96 Honda Civic here. So I'm going to check the power steering pump and the level and belt. So first going with the level. The level is right. It's a little bit above the lower level marking. With the belt, it looks pretty good. There's some cracks in it though. There's also still like a good amount of tension in the belt. For the hose, there doesn't seem to be any cracks or leakage. So now I'm gonna put the car on the car lift. With the arms, I'm gonna have to put them at the proper jack point. So now I'm gonna raise the car a little bit and check if the arms are in the right position. So the passenger side is in the right positions. And the driver's sides are in the right position. So I'm going to lift it a little bit more and then perform a stability check. We don't want the car falling. The car is good, so I'm going to lift it more. There doesn't seem to be any play at the wheel, so right now it seems like it's a good tie rod. There's play over here because there's only 2 lug nuts on the tire. So yeah. I'm going to take off the tires. I go in the star pattern, so I'm going to skip that second lug nut over here. Okay, so this tire is free. Put this to the side. Then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. I can't really do star pattern with this side since there's only 2 lug nuts. cable, so it's not a tripping hazard. I'm going to raise the car more. So now I'm gonna check under the car. The the outer tie rod boot is cracked, so it's leaking grease. The inner tie rod looks good. Same with the boot. There's no cracks. And then going to the driver's side, the same thing. The outer tie rod boot is cracked, so it's also leaking. The inner tie rod looks good. Same with the boot. Looking over here, there's no leakage from the returning hose from the power steering, or the I'm forgetting the name of the hose, but there's no leakage. So I'm gonna lower the car and put the tires back on. So when I'm putting on the rim, I'm gonna put the lug nuts on a star pattern. Hand tightening, so once the car's on the ground, I can torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Doesn't want to go out. There we go. Then I'm going to go to the driver's side and put on the two lug nuts. I'm now going to lower the car and then torque down the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. I already set it to 80 foot-pounds, so now I'm gonna torque them down. Still going in the star pattern. Okay, I'll